It is the year of 2023, you guys. There shouldn't be any excuse of why you don't have any money set aside for yourself. I mean, majority of you FaceTime your best friend or your favorite dog that's at home while you're away in college every day for 7 or more hours, running up your phone bill and your data plan. I guess that's better than logging on to some Zoom for 7 or more hours and getting paid to do so. But you're too good for that, right? And because it's too complicated and it's too boring for you to handle. Well, try telling that to your next phone bill. While you rather sit at home all day being on TikTok and on the phone with your best friend, you could also be doing remote work in the Bahamas, sipping on a nice fresh glass of lemonade, wiggling your toes in the warm sand, admiring the beautiful beach views of the ocean and its waves, and picking up seashells. I mean, who doesn't like picking up seashells? Who doesn't like being in an environment where they can work freely and no interruptions? Hi, my name is Taylor Bell, and I'm here to tell you about the disadvantages and advantages of remote work. Remote work creates your own personal space for employees to work online for any company or job around the world. It has become flexible for the callers and the receivers to move around freely and work freely when you want. Remote work has exceeded tremendously ever since the impact of COVID-19 and the pandemic shutting down the world. Following behind that of how the coronavirus has impacted the world ever since the pandemic has started in March of 2020, when employees, teachers, staffs, and students were released to go home due to the pandemic and the fast rapid of COVID-19 spreading in the US and across the world. Teachers and students were sent home. Remote work was established for teachers to use to educate students for the remainder of the year. It has created a difficult challenge for both teachers and students to access internet or electronic devices while school is in session. CMS, also known as Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools, and other schools try to ensure the internet for people in households who do not have access to it. At that point, everything was either out of business or forced to shut down. People kept losing their jobs, and some were even forced to go straight into remote work without any skills or experience. How can you access it? Well, remote work is literally everywhere and very accessible, from your device in your hand to the TV on your nightstand. Resources like Indeed.com are known to provide jobs and information of remote work. You may also apply for virtual or remote jobs on the desired website or via app. Many companies have either small or large flexible remote working strategies that can be found in a variety of industries for you to access remote work. These are just some accessible resources and works and job opportunities to expand your options of what you may be interested to do as regarding remote work. There are many fields and jobs that provide you with opportunities that you are may be interested in, such as social media management, accounting, software engineering, translation, and many more, as well as Zoom and Microsoft for being mostly used for it. 36% of employees all around use these sources for remote work. Some advantages of remote work could be customizing your own schedule. According to the source free, letting people work remotely is about promoting the quality of life. Also, you are most likely to experience less interruptions and keep a full payment benefit while working remotely. Some disadvantages of remote could be lack of communication, software issues as far as keeping your software data up to date, and also people who don't have easy access. Along with people who may have a challenge with this could be people with disabilities who are impaired, and also people who may be elderly. As a conclusion to remote work, it will not minimize itself as we go furthermore into the future. Technology is expanding rapidly as we develop more techniques and tools to remote work. However, for in-person work and remote work, both should still occur and be dominated equally so that both are accessible to those in need. Remote work and technologies and tools are being upgraded and progressing over time for people to have access to remote work.